Imagine making money effortlessly while you sleep or travel the world. If so, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into 4 laziest ways to make money online. Say goodbye to the grind of a 9-to-5 job or stressing over student loan. These methods are so simple, they might feel like cheating until the money starts rolling in. You might wonder why I label these as lazy methods. Well, to earn that title, these strategies must allow you to generate passive income with little to no effort and cash. Once set up, these strategies can keep making money for you while you relax. Stick around for the 4th method. It's my personal favorite and earned me over $200,000 in just 6 months. Let's dive in. Method 1. Print on demand, POD, is a fantastic way to make money online, and it's easier than you might think. Let's dive into how you can use this method to earn a steady income, all while working from the comfort of your home. Print on demand allows you to design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without having to handle any inventory. Websites like Teespring, Redbubble, and Printful let you create and sell products with your designs. When someone makes a purchase, the website prints and ships the item for you. You don't need to invest in stock or worry about shipping. Everything is handled for you. Here's how to get started. Come up with a few simple designs. They don't have to be complex. Funny quotes, cute illustrations, or trendy graphics work well. You can use simple design tools like Canva or hire a designer if you prefer. Focus on trends or themes that appeal to your target audience. Upload your designs to the print-on-demand site, set your prices, and let the site handle the rest. You earn a profit on each sale without lifting a finger after the initial setup. This means you can make money while you sleep, travel, or just relax at home. The best part? Your products can reach a global audience, multiplying your earning potential. To maximize your success, promote your products on social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok to showcase your designs and attract buyers. With the right strategy, you can build a loyal customer base and watch your sales soar. Why print on demand is so great. Since you only pay for products after you make a sale, there's minimal financial risk involved. You don't need to worry about unsold inventory or upfront costs. The POD company handles all the printing, packing, and shipping. This means you can focus on creating and marketing without getting bogged down by logistics. As your store grows, you can easily add new designs and products without worrying about stock. This flexibility allows you to quickly respond to trends and customer preferences. Many entrepreneurs have built successful businesses with print on demand. Some have turned their side hustles into full-time careers, thanks to the passive income generated by their online stores. With the right approach and a bit of creativity, you too can tap into this lucrative market. Method 2. Creating a faceless YouTube channel. And trust me, this is one of the best ways to earn money online. Why? Because it offers numerous streams of income. And you don't even have to show your face, because it lets you earn from multiple income streams without ever showing your face. Many creators are raking in thousands of dollars every month from their channels. The best part? Once your videos are uploaded, they continue to get views and make money for years. You just upload them and let them do the work. Here's a pro tip. Choose the right niche. Niches with very high CPM and other ways to make money beyond ads. Popular, lucrative niches include making money with AI or trading. These are fantastic because they attract a lot of interest and has very high CPM. And you can make money not just through YouTube monetization, but also by selling courses, promoting affiliate programs and sponsorships. For instance, an AI-focused channel can easily pull in at least $2,000 monthly once you hit 1,000 followers. How? You don't just wait for YouTube ads. There are countless AI products you can promote as an affiliate. When your followers sign up for these products, you get paid. Many of these AI tools have monthly subscriptions, so you earn recurring referral income every month your users renew their subscriptions. It's like getting paid over and over for the same effort. Another revenue stream is sponsorships. Advertisers are keen to collaborate with YouTubers to promote their products. Believe it or not, my first deal to promote an AI product came when my channel had only 300 followers. and I was offered $400 for that collaboration. Now, I get at least 10 emails weekly from potential collaborators. While I often turn them down to focus on growing my channel, I've accepted a few that align with my content, and they've brought in thousands of dollars already. The best part? You don't need to know how to edit videos, write scripts, or even use your voice. Here's how to do it. Script writing. Use Script AI to craft compelling scripts. Voiceovers. 11 Labs can generate human-like voiceovers for you. Video editing. Use InVideo AI to edit your video with one click. Even if you have no editing skills, channel growth. vidIQ is a powerful AI tool that helps you grow your channel quickly. All the links to these tools can be found in the description of this video. Another example is my faceless YouTube channel on trading, which generates about $20,000 monthly with just 10,000 followers. I make the bulk of the money by selling courses on trading and through affiliate programs. Forex and crypto affiliate programs are particularly lucrative because many brokers or exchanges offer commissions on each trade made by someone who signed up through your link. One person can trade 50 to 100 times a month, meaning you get paid 50 to 100 times from just one user. You don't even need to be an expert to start. When I began, I found popular trading videos on YouTube, noted key points from the videos, and asked ChatGPT to write a YouTube script around those points. In just a few months, I got better and improved my content. Method 3. Proofreading. Don't worry, you won't be doing the proofreading yourself. Instead, you'll use a free AI tool like ChatGPT to handle the work for you. Here's how it works. Sign up on freelancing sites like guru.com and offer your proofreading services. When you get a job, simply copy and paste the text into ChatGPT. The AI will correct it for you. Then, you send the polished text back to your client and get paid. People earn between $20 to $100 an hour doing this. And with ChatGPT, you'll work faster than others. Imagine sitting on your couch, watching your favorite show, while ChatGPT handles all the proofreading tasks. You get paid, and your clients receive perfect text. It's a win-win. And why stop at proofreading? Offer extra services like editing or formatting. With tools like Grammarly and ChatGPT, you can provide even more value without extra effort. More services mean higher rates and more money for you, all while staying comfy in your favorite spot. Before we continue, if you're finding this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support really helps me create more great videos for you. Thanks. Method 4. Launch your own software as a service. Ready for the best-kept secret in making big money online? This method, which made me $200,000 in just 6 months, is selling your own software as a service. And guess what? You don't need to be a software developer or spend a fortune to get started. Let me show you how. Here's the magic trick. You don't have to build software from scratch. Instead, you can buy ready-made software from Code Canyon, a site owned by Envato. Code Canyon offers thousands of scripts and plugins for all sorts of websites. These scripts are incredibly cheap, and the sellers often provide setup and support. If there's an issue, they'll fix it for you. For example, Rocket LMS. At $55, this script lets you build your own online learning platform similar to Udemy or Coursera. Cyberbookit. For $69, you can get a text-to-speech tool like 11 Labs and start charging users to access your platform. These prices are incredibly low for what you get. With just a small investment, you can own and operate a fully functional software platform. So, how do you make money with these tools? That's where JVZoo comes in. JVZoo is a platform where thousands of affiliate marketers look for software products to promote. Here's how it works. Upload your software to JVZoo. JVZoo will showcase your product to its huge network of affiliates who will market it for you. You don't have to do any of the heavy lifting. The affiliates do the work and bring customers to you. Why JVZoo is amazing. By listing your software on JVZoo, it gets showcased to thousands of affiliates who will do the marketing for you. You just sit back and watch your profits grow. JVZoo instantly connects your business with millions of paying customers and top-performing affiliates. There are no setup or maintenance fees. You only pay when you make a sale, meaning there's virtually zero risk. Let me show you how powerful this can be. For example, a product called Insta-Keywords, a keyword research tool, sold over 2,000 copies on JVZoo. At $97 per copy, that's about $194,000 in sales. If they gave 30% of that to affiliates and 5% to JVZoo platform, they still pocketed $126,000, and that's just from one product. Imagine the amount of money they can make if the seller has multiple products on the platform. You can also boost your profits by collaborating with YouTubers to promote your software. Many YouTubers are willing to promote your product in exchange for a commission on the sales they generate. You can also use other social media platforms to drive traffic and make more sales. This method is incredibly legal. By launching and selling just a few software products, you could start earning substantial income quickly. In my first 6 months, selling 3 different software products brought in $200,000. So, if you're looking for a way to make big money online with minimal risk and effort, creating and selling your own software as a service could be your golden ticket. So why not give one or more of these methods a try? With a bit of initial setup, you'll be on your way to earning money while you relax, sleep, or pursue your passions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on easy ways to boost your income. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.